Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Triveni Turbine. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Triveni Turbine with a price target of Rs 550. A strong orders inflow and a promising inquiry pipeline will provide company with healthy growth trajectory. Increasing traction in aftermarket services and export would lead to better profitability. The manpower will remain the key focus area for the company with 15% growth in FY24 and another 25% in FY25, which will increase its global value proposition by growing its presence in export market. In Q3, order book surged 28% year-on-year to Rs 1575 crore, with export order rising 41% year-on-year to Rs 762 crore, which provides company with decent revenue visibility. The stock trades at 29 times FY26 estimated EPS, which we believe offers room for an upside considering a strong growth prospect and robust core ROE ratios of 32% and ROCE of 43% respectively. Next we cover Garware HiTech Films. Our analyst maintains positive view on Garware HiTech Films with an upside potential of 15%. Capacity expansion, product diversification, and favorable changes in India's automotive regulation for safety glazing films, along with strong positioning in the export market, act as a key catalyst for the company's growth. Introduction of rooftop series for the auto sector and new grades of architectural and decorative film will further support growth. We expect more than 2 times jumps in PAT over FY23 to FY26 and improved ROE of 25%, ROCE to 35% in FY26. Moreover, the valuation of 11.9 times its FY26 estimated EPS, excluding land, looks attractive, considering strong growth prospect and high cash of Rs 355 crore, which is 7.4% of the current market cap, coupled with potential monetization of land with the current value of Rs 500 crore, which makes it a compelling investment case.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.